Oh, ang ganda. Dito po yan sa Household of Cavalry Museum. Na-open po sila dito. Ito po yung uniform ng mga royal blood.
No, you can.
Worst bit is probably going to be
One of the things,
sons.
need too many lives to be able to do it.
Painful thing, you end up waking up the next day and you're quite being able to kind of walk.
Sit down or walk.
This is
Because we do drill work first. Yeah, I have 2 weeks of listening to horror stories. So I was a little bit nervous about approaching somebody's horses.
I've gone 6 times.
Ito yung uniform
5
ng
of those was when I bought this.
uniform ng mga royal blood.
Couldn't say I jumped off.
Ito yung nakikita ko yung uniform ni Prince.
So I tried to complete the lesson,
Prince
which
William.
I did, but I could have much better.
It was nervous starting certain courses because you don't know again what they're going to be like. The first course I had was absolutely ginormous, so there's quite a shot. Got well there, so it's my 10th week and I haven't fallen off yet. I can probably see that it's coming soon.
You always working as a team. It's a team environment, if you like.
Dito kami ngayon sa loob ng museum. Yan guys, ang mga uniform po ng mga house.
And then you're up there at the troops as well, which you know the places are already completely in. And the same as if you're going to come back.
Wow, ang ganda. Dito yan sa may, sa may museum, sa may Household Cavalry Museum. Ang ganda dito guys. Hindi ka pwede mag-ingay dito. This is amazing. Ito ay mga old uniform nung unang panahon pa. Unang panahon, mga World War II pa ito ng mga uniform, mga old fashion. This is so amazing guys. Wonderful guys, amazing.